Hey everyone, I am Shuchita and welcome back to Aurora's IELTS. In my last video, I taught you 3 new words. I hope you are comfortable in using them. And in this video, I'll be touching upon 3 more new words. And I hope that this video helps you out in improving your IELTS band score and also in your general English conversations.
The first word is ADEPT. ADEPT is a 2-syllable word. The 2 syllables are A and DEPT. The syllable stress is on the second syllable, which is DEPT. This makes it ADEPT. ADEPT means proficient or very good at something. If someone is skillful or proficient at something, you would say that they are adept. So, for example, Patrick is an adept dancer or Neha is an adept architect. Many students get confused between adept and adapt. So the second word is adapt. Adapt is also a 2-syllable word. The stressed syllable in adapt is the second one, which is dapt, and it's pronounced as adapt. To adapt means to adjust oneself with new conditions or in a new environment. So you can say that I adapted to the environment in my new school very quickly because I'm a sociable person. So you adapted to the new environment means that you could change yourself easily. You modified yourself easily to the new environment in the school. The third word is diverse. Diverse also has 2 syllables, die and verse. And as you would guess, the syllable stress is on the second syllable, verse, so which makes it diverse. Something is diverse when it shows a great deal of variety. For example, the place where I currently live is quite diverse. People from a lot of ethnic backgrounds stay in that place.
I hope that you're able to use these words in your everyday conversations and in your IELTS exam. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye-bye.